Hi, it's Coach Jared Snyder. I also like to call myself a health and fitness influencer. I wanted to make a video today talking about how to print out a tracker sheet and a calendar from Beachbody on Demand, BOD. So anyways, I am going to flip this camera around and I'm going to be doing the Lift 4 program again. And so I'm gonna I'll make this video and show you how to get it done. It's pretty simple. So first, we got the program. So we're gonna go to, I don't know if you can see that. We're gonna go to Lift 4. And then you will have these two options right here, video. Also have an options of materials. So you will go down to materials, and then simple, you just click on this. It'll bring up your calendar. All you gotta do is hit print. All depends on what kind of computer you have. And I have an online printer, so mine's all hooked up, so all I have to do is send it to my desktop and hit print. And it is going that simple to my printer, and it should be printing off in a few seconds. So let's go look and see if it printed off. I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. It is going good here. It's gonna be dark for a second because I think it's gonna storm. But let's see. Maybe it still needs to print. It didn't print, or maybe I'm out of ink. I guess I might be out of black ink, so I'll have to go to the store and get some. But I just wanted to show you that's how easy it is to do that. And also, you just go to the materials part. Let's go back. Let's hit this. Just go to materials, Lift 4 weight progress tracker, Lift 4 nutrition guide, Lift 4 vegan nutrition plan, Spotify, chest and tries. It got music for you. But anyways, it is how I get all my materials I need for my workout. So I will go get that printer cartridge, and I'll get a print off, and we'll be starting day one all over again. So if you're interested in this amazing way with Beachbody on Demand, all the programs are like this. They have the materials just kind of like this too, or all of them do. That easy. But anyways, take care and have a great day. Bye.